Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe, peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the Trillion Dollar Ticker broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. This is your pre-market briefing where we prepare for the trading day before the opening bell. We're in the middle of a global tug of war. With Trump's postponement gave us hope, but today the news cycle is messy. Iran is denying negotiations, and the crude oil markets are reacting to a fresh diplomatic push. We're still in extreme fear. Right now we're at 18. So today's focus is on staying neutral while the storm rages. Let's get into the mantra. I deserve to be healthy. I deserve to be happy. I deserve the wealth that I'm building for me and my family. Riches and freedom, they come to our hands. I'm the master of all I command. My learning is limitless. My earnings are too. The more I discover, the more I can do. The stock market is a machine of design, and I have the power to make that wealth mine. I am capable, I am skilled, I am bold. Blessings on the journey as the vision unfolds. Okay, at 7:30 a.m. we have the crude oil inventories. So that's going to be interesting based on what's going on with the Strait of Hormuz. At 4:20 we got Trump talking. So he's going to be talking about his 15-point ceasefire proposal and the Ratepayer Protection Pledge. That's going to be interesting how the market moves after market closes. All right, let's get into Robert Greene's daily law. Cultivate negative capability. Daily law. Develop the habit of suspending the need to judge everything that crosses your path. Consider and even momentarily entertain viewpoints opposite of your own, seeing how they feel. Do anything to break up your normal train of thinking and your sense that you already know the truth. Wow, that's powerful. For long-term investing, negative capability means holding through a wartime market without feeling the need to fix or exit your position every time a headline breaks. You must be able to entertain the possibility that the current extreme fear could lead to a deeper recession, while simultaneously holding the view that your assets are built for the decade. By suspending your need to judge every red day as a failure, you allow your portfolio the space it needs to weather the cycle. Breaking your normal train of thinking, perhaps by looking at why a bear might be right, actually strengthens your conviction in the long run. Mastery is the ability to sit with uncertainty in 2026 and not let it shake your legacy. In day trading, the need to be right is what blows accounts. The master trader is comfortable being unsure until the price confirms. When the news shifts from obliteration to negotiations in 24 hours, you must suspend your judgment and trade the price action in front of you. Entertaining the viewpoint opposite of your own, like looking for a short setup in a gap-up rally, is a mandatory risk management tool. If you think you already know the truth of where SPY is going today, you have already lost your edge. Negative capability allows you to stay neutral, stay loose, and execute only when the probability shifts in your favor. Stay patient, stay disciplined, execution over emotion, process over prediction. And remember, this is just a setup. We'll be back at the market open and break down real-time price action and momentum. All right, let me run these prices right quick. So, actually, I was not going to do today's show because I'm feeling a little under the weather. So, I did get an extra hour of sleep, so I didn't have time to do all the 1 hour levels, but I will give you the pre-market prices. SPY currently in the pre-market 658.65. QQQ is 589.39. Nvidia 177.30, Apple 254.45, Google 294.73, Microsoft 377.03. Wow. Amazon 211, TSM 345.57, Tesla 391, Meta 601.99, AVGO 320.80, and brk.b 481. I do have some news though, because I was getting the news yesterday, so I still got a lot of news for the Market Open show. All right, see you guys at Market Open. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.